Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Astika Learning. Today in this video we are going to learn about my pet. So let's start writing 10 lines on my pet. Number 1. The animals which we keep in our house are called pet animals. Number 2. I have a pet dog named Rocky. Number 3. He is 2 years old. Number 4. Its color is brown. Number 5. He likes to eat meat and fish. Number 6. He runs very fast and barks loudly. Number 7. It has a strong sense of smell and hearing. Number 8. He is very faithful, brave, and clever. Number 9. He guards our house. Number 10. I love my dog very much. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.